Let's talk about two interesting ideas in spirituality: light language and ascension symptoms. Even though they might seem different, they actually have a special connection that helps us on our spiritual journey. We'll see how these two things work together to help us become more spiritually aware. In the journey of becoming more spiritually enlightened, there's a big idea called energetic resonance and vibrational alignment. These might sound complicated, but they're like the keys to understanding how our energy connects with everything around us, like our experiences and how we grow. Think of energetic resonance like a big musical performance. Every living thing, object, and even our thoughts give off a kind of energy that's unique to them. It's like a musical note that belongs only to them. Sometimes, these energies match up and make something beautiful together. This is called resonance. But other times, they clash like out-of-tune instruments. This happens not just with things we can touch, but also with our feelings and even our spiritual side. Vibrational alignment is about intentionally changing our own energy to match the energy of higher spiritual levels. As we move forward in our spiritual journey, we want our energy to become more like the higher spiritual energies. This doesn't mean we're leaving behind where we are now. Instead, we're expanding our understanding to include more than what we see. Imagine your energy as a musical note on a scale. Ascension symptoms are signs that something is changing in your energy. These signs might be physical discomfort, strong emotions, or even moments where you suddenly understand something deeply. These changes show that you're letting go of old feelings and thoughts and embracing new ones. This leads to a shift in your energy. This is where vibrational alignment comes in. Light language is like the language of the soul. It's made up of special sounds and energy patterns. When you interact with light language, its energy mixes with your own energy, and this helps you align your energy with the higher energies. It's a bit like tuning a musical instrument. By exposing yourself to the harmonious energy of light language, your own energy starts to match the higher energy. Light language helps you line up your energy with higher energies by directly connecting you to them. Its special sounds are made to match the energies of spiritual awareness. When you use light language, your energy gets a boost, and you can connect more deeply with the energies that help you grow, heal, and become more spiritually aware. So, let's look at the good things that come from energetic resonance and vibrational alignment. When your energy lines up with higher energies, you start noticing things more. You become better at sensing subtle energies, getting strong feelings about things, and seeing coincidences. Aligning your energy helps you let go of old feelings and blocks that were holding you back. It speeds up healing and helps you become a new and better you. When you connect with higher energies, you learn deeper things about spirituality, become wiser, and feel like you're a part of everything in the universe. In simple words, light language and changing your energy are like a team that helps you become more aware, heal, and grow spiritually. Let's talk about how we can clear away things that are holding us back and change ourselves using the language of light. Imagine your inner self like a canvas painted with all your feelings and experiences. Just like an artist uncovers their best work by removing layers, on our journey of becoming more enlightened, we're encouraged to remove the things that are blocking us and find our true selves underneath. This idea of clearing energetic blockages is connected with the interesting concept of light language. Together, they make a beautiful change and transformation. Think of energetic blockages as knots in the fabric of who you are. These knots build up over time, made from emotions you haven't dealt with, past pains, and ideas that limit you. They stop energy from flowing freely through your body, causing problems for how you feel. Ascension symptoms, like feeling tired, being really sensitive, or having mood swings show us where these knots are. They're like a sign that something is ready to change. As you travel on your journey to become more enlightened, Ascension symptoms show you that changes are happening inside you. The tiredness, the ups and downs in how you feel, all of it points to shifts in your energy under the surface. They mean those knots are coming undone, old energy is being let go, and you're starting to dance between your old self and the better you that you're becoming. Now, let's talk about light language. It's like a special language that speaks to your soul without using words. It's like a song that comes from the universe. Light language has different kinds of vibrations that match the feelings in your inner self. When you use light language, these good vibrations go into the knots and start to loosen them. It's like a dance between what you want and the language of light. This teamwork helps you find your true self underneath all the layers. This leads us to the next part, the alchemy of transformation. In this magical process, Ascension symptoms are like guides that show you where you need to change. Light language, with its beautiful touch, helps you untangle the knots gently. When energy flows freely again, you let go of heavy feelings, and things become clearer. Your life becomes brighter and more colorful than before. So, let's talk about the good things that come from clearing away these blocks. You will feeling free when your energy flows freely. You feel energetic and excited about life. Also, you will letting go of emotions. Light language helps you release emotions you've been holding on to, so you can feel free and peaceful inside. You will be seeing clearly. As knots disappear, you think more clearly, and you start to see things in a new way. Also, you will be growing spiritually. When you clear away these blocks, you connect more with the universe and learn deeper things about yourself and the world. Embrace the beautiful dance between Ascension symptoms and light language. In your journey, you'll experience the untying of knots in your energy and the shining forth of your true brilliance. Each note of light language is like an artist's brushstroke on the canvas of your soul, creating a masterpiece of change. By working with this partnership, you not only make your own life better but also add to the harmony of the whole universe, where everyone's growth contributes to the overall beauty. Our next topic is about how to navigate your emotions and spiritual experiences with the help of light language. During our journey of becoming more enlightened, we come across a diverse landscape of emotions and spiritual growth. Ascension symptoms, like being more sensitive, having mood swings, and experiencing spiritual insights, become threads woven into this unfolding story. In the midst of these unfamiliar areas, light language becomes like a guiding star. It shows us the way, acting as a bridge between our conscious and subconscious minds. Ascension symptoms act like guideposts on our journey of change. The increased sensitivity we feel helps us notice even the small feelings inside us. Mood swings, although they might seem chaotic, are actually a part of the process. They show us that old emotions are being let go of, making room for emotional freedom. Spiritual experiences, like moments where we glimpse something beyond what we usually see, remind us that we're all connected and there's a lot we don't understand yet. Using light language is a bit like using an ancient map. It helps us navigate through these emotional and spiritual experiences with grace and understanding. This special language goes beyond normal words, touching us deeply inside. It's like a bridge that connects our conscious thoughts with the deeper parts of our mind. Through light language, we can uncover feelings that have been hidden away. With light language, we find a way to express and understand emotions that are hard to put into regular words. Its sounds, rhythms, and symbols create a space where our emotions can be seen and heard. When we use light language, we let out emotions that we've kept inside, and this helps us heal and feel more emotionally free. As we become more enlightened, our intuition wakes up and gets stronger. Light language connects perfectly with this stronger intuition, creating a team that makes our intuitive wisdom even better. When we use light language, we become better at getting guidance and understanding from our inner spiritual self. This guidance helps us understand and deal with the complexities of Ascension symptoms. Ascension symptoms are a sign that we're going through big changes and growing a lot. Light language comes in as a helpful friend on this journey. Its special vibrations boost the healing energy we create, helping us not just change our energy and body, but also how we think and understand things. In this dance of exploring our emotions and growing spiritually, light language is always with us. It's a safe place where our emotions can find a voice and our insights can grow. When we use light language, we learn ways to understand and manage our emotions, make our intuition stronger, and become better at healing. Together, Ascension symptoms and light language show us the path of growth, reminding us that every change, emotion, and insight is important on our journey of becoming more enlightened. Light language and energy healing are deeply connected to spirituality, and they are catching the attention of the scientific community more and more. Scientists are looking into vibrational medicine and sound therapy, and they're finding that certain frequencies can actually have a positive impact on both the body and the mind. When spirituality and science come together, it gives us a complete understanding of these practices, connecting ancient wisdom with modern exploration. For people who are new to this, embracing light language means being open to new experiences and ideas. If you're interested, you can seek help from experienced practitioners or join groups that are supportive. Keeping a journal to write down your experiences with light language will help you see how you're changing and growing. Just like with any spiritual practice, some people might not believe in light language or ascension. It's good to approach these subjects with an open mind and be able to tell the difference between real experiences and just popular trends. Doing careful research and finding reliable sources can help you have a well-rounded view. Remember, going through Ascension is something personal, and taking care of yourself is really important while you're going through it. Even small steps forward in your growth are worth celebrating because they all add up to your spiritual journey. Approach everything with curiosity and an open heart, and always keep learning and building your connection with the powerful energies that shape your path. The world of Ascension symptoms and light language is full of opportunities for you to grow and change in a deep way. By understanding what Ascension is all about, recognizing the signs that you're transforming, and exploring the mysteries of light language, you're starting a journey toward becoming more aware and learning about yourself. Remember, you don't have to rush. Enjoy the process and let yourself change and grow at your own speed. Thank you for being a part of this enlightening journey. Until next time, keep searching, keep learning, and keep expanding your horizons.